Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my Grim Kitty shadow box. Such a fun design. You've got that Grim Kitty there in the background, some happy little jack-o'-lanterns in front of the gravestones. Really cool. It comes together really easily, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2024. If you're watching this during the event, head to the event page and find the download there. If you're watching this through the VIP Access Pass, you can find the download button below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has finished up, you can head to my shop to purchase the individual cut file at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, you can find out more information at thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2024. I have links in the description box for you to check them out. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure you download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. I have sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. If you're going to be using this for a card or in a different shadow box, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this shadow box. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this shadow box. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all the different pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I know it looks like there's a lot of different layers, but don't worry, I have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, then the light orange, red, cream or tan, black, light blue, green, orange, yellow, and then dark blue. Now I'm just going to place everything inside the shadow box, but you can definitely use foam squares if you prefer. I would probably put the foam squares behind the red layer, then behind the light blue layer, possibly behind the green color, and then behind the dark blue color. That's totally optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. The design is going to look great regardless if you use foam squares or not. Those foam squares just add a little bit more dimension. I'm going to go ahead and grab my shadow box. Now I'll just go ahead and start to layer in the design. Alright, and now I will add the backing piece and then close up the shadow box. And there we go. Our cute little shadow box is all set. How easy was this project to put together? It has all the different elements of a great Halloween design. Jack-o'-lanterns, the cemetery, the Grim Reaper, cats, just all perfect. I hope that you like it. If you make this design, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for me today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye-bye.